impression. I had many impressions for FUWAMOCO. So many that I cannot even put them into words. But also, like I knew these girls will do so well. Twins will make people go crazy. Wait, who's talking? I had a hard time differentiating their voices in the beginning, which now I feel like it's so obvious. In the beginning, I was like, what? Wait, who's talking right now? Because they were using the same account too on Discord and voice calls. I'm like, what? Who's? Oh shit! It's embarrassing to admit that I don't know who's talking right now. Yeah, now it's so obvious. So weird. How? I mean, maybe I heard a difference, but I wasn't sure who's who. Like, I heard a difference and this sounds different, but I couldn't, like, attach it to, like, one of them. You know what I mean? Like, which is which. Now you messed up in the free?
Let's go! Okay, I'll continue with FUWAWA. On her head, we have...
Twins, you know? Well, that's a different thing. That's not about the voice. That's just because they're freaking twins. Of course I'm gonna mix them up when they're, you know, dressed the same way. Anyway, they look nothing alike. I mean, it looks... On YouTube, there's like color filters and stuff. I don't know. IRL is different. Maybe I wasn't wearing my glasses. They're twins, okay? Now impression. Mococo. Mococo. Please take care of your throat and your voice, please. Huh?
Hi.
Huh?
Hi.
So funny. Bao bao.